Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tree out of paper. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some paper, scissors, and glue. For a classic look, grab green paper for the leaves and brown for the trunk. Don't forget, you can also add fun decorative elements like glitter or small beads to make your tree truly unique. Let's get started. Now, let's create the foundation of your paper tree, the trunk. Take a piece of brown paper and carefully roll it into a sturdy cone shape. Make sure the base is wide enough to support your tree. Once you have your cone, secure the edge with a bit of glue or tape to keep it from unraveling. Finally, cut small slits around the base to form a flat stand, helping your tree stand upright. With your trunk ready, it's time to bring your tree to life with some beautiful foliage. Grab your green paper and cut out various leaf shapes. You can make them all the same or mix it up for a more natural look. For an extra touch, fold each leaf slightly down the middle to give it a nice three-dimensional effect. Then, start gluing your leaves onto the trunk, working your way up from the bottom. To complete your paper tree, take a moment to arrange the leaves, ensuring they create a full and natural-looking canopy. Feel free to add any extra details, like small paper flowers or berries, to make your tree truly special. And hey, while you're crafting, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.